Section 4, I spoke about blockchain implementation, that is the build operation and finalizing the type of blockchain, phases of blockchain implementation and blockchain adoption. Now, in section 5, we will focus on a brief introduction to blockchain use cases. First, the use cases, what is the terminology, and then categorization of blockchain use cases.
Ma'am, please explain me what are use cases. I have been really confused about this term.
So, you know what's a use case basically? You must have heard of this term in software engineering.
We used to draw those use case diagrams.
Correct. You're drawing that in terms of the use as to how the system would work and how your users will be interacting, and the scenarios were drawn.
Right.
Use case over here is not a scenario, it's a business process. So let's see what is a use case. As a general definition, a use case is made up of a set of possible sequences of interactions between systems and users in a particular environment related to a particular goal.
Okay, so we are already deciding on a goal.
Correct. But this is the general definition. This is not in blockchain.
Okay.
This is the general definition where we have an interaction between the system and the users. This is happening in a particular environment and the status of the system, and you are going to achieve a particular goal. So for example, a login, failed login, successful login, committing data, etc. But in case of a blockchain, the definition is slightly different. So in a blockchain, it is a specific situation where the blockchain can be used. It could be a business problem in an organization which can be better solved using blockchain, or it could be a distinct blockchain ecosystem consisting of participants and assets.
Okay, now it's getting clear.
Yeah, so it is different. So use cases here map to the business processes, and you can define what exactly is the use case for a blockchain. So after looking at the introduction to blockchain use cases, in the next lecture we will look at categorization of blockchain use cases.